Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yorlis and today I want to share with you all the project that I did for this spring Prima doll hop that is being hosted by Michelle Randolph and Robin Pitts. All the line now of the people who is participating on this YouTube hop will be in the description box below. You just have to click and it will take you to that person's profile. So first, I was so happy to work with my Prima dolls. It's been a while since I do something with them. Thought I had a few of them, not all of them, but I do have a few of them that I love so much. I really wanted, the new ones. And so I got this, I got three, and these are the two that I use for this project, and this is the Evie. And she's so cute, so cute. And because it was a spring related, the YouTube Hope, so I wanted something with, spring related, something, the most close similar to the spring, and it has flowers, and she has like very springy kind of dressing. So yes, so I like that one, and I just love this one. And yes, I love it. I just love the dolls. I'm super fan of them. So yeah, so I choose this one, and it comes with all of this, but I just use the doll. So yeah, so these are the ones that I use, and I'm so excited with this project, and I hope you like it. I really had a fun making it. It was a little bit time consuming, but it was worth it, and I'm really excited to share with you all, and I hope you all like it. Now this, before I show you all the insides and all that yummy stuff, I wanted to show you what I use, of course. And here the paper collection that I use is called okay, got it. It's called Love History by Joana Rivero, and this is from Stamperia, and this is from Spain. This is a lady, a designer from Spain, and I love her to pieces. She is amazing. Anyway, so I use her paper collection, and it's a wedding thing actually, the paper collection, but it has a lot of flowering backgrounds and all the stuff, and I thought they would be perfect for my projects. First, this, you see all the leaves, all the leaves in here and all the stuff, and I just love it. I made the dress with it because I love the design of it, those little leaf details in there. And in the back here is the same design as this one here. It's just because it's all layered up in the top. You cannot see it, but you see all the flower is like a watercolor kind of design, and I just love it. I love it. So I use it here in the background to put all my layers. I use flowers from Rene Bouquets. This one is, I got it from the craft store. I don't like it, but I already bought it, so I use it there. And it's just that flower that you get in the package in Hobby Lobby, but it's just like the shape is not very firm. While you compare the ones from Rene Bouquets, it's very shaped. So I love that. Then I use chipboard from Rene Bouquets, and I have a lot of my stash from products on her shop because I used to be a designer for her. So I use that in from my stash with the list and everything. I use cheesecloth here, an eyelash string, and I paper piece the doll. I color her with my Copics. I put some lace here in the back of the circle where I put my doll. Now the paper that I use for the basket is just beautiful. I love this color of like wood texture with golden sprinkles in there. I just love it. Now I use this lace string from my stash. It was given to me, or I purchased it, I don't remember. So yeah, so I put it there. Now this comes in the top like this. So yeah, so it's like a tulips. And now here on where I live upstate New York, and they have like this park, and every once a year for Mother's Day, they put the park with all different colors of tulips, and it's just gorgeous. So yeah, so these are the tulips from the basket. And I don't know, because it's Mother's Day and it's flower, spring is here and all the stuff. So the first flower that we get are the tulips, always. So yeah, so these are the tulips, and I just think it's so cute. Then when you open it, is the surprise, and it has a card. And this is the design, all the same paper collection. I used it in all of it. So yes, it's like this, and this is the back. It has like very warm colors. The collection is like a fall colors, probably you could say. But I just love it. I just love how it came out, and I think with all the flowers and all the leaves and everything, it looks very spring. So when you open it, now that I untie it, I just put like this crochet that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then when you open it, ta-da, it's a card. It's a pop-up card. So it says flowers. So it has the flower baskets from the shop, and it has a little doggy here, and it has this chairs in there, plants, you know, those baskets with flowers and plants in there. It's so cute, right? And here is a piece of tulips, flowers in there in the desk. So yeah, so here I use the little one, Evie, this one here. And what I did, because the doll is very tall, what I did, I cut it, and I put like, it has no legs, probably. Actually, it has no legs. I cut it and put the feet, the shoes under the skirt. So I cut the pants off with the leg. So I could make it shorter, because she was very tall for the car. But she looks so cute, right? I just love it, love it, love it, love it. And so yeah, so there is the car. And then inside you have a space to put a gift. And here I just put these little boxes that I have in here. These are personalized gifts. And so yeah, so you can put like baking goods or another gift. This is just an idea of what you can do with this basket. So you put it there and all that stuff, and it's just so cute. Then there is the card for the person that you send this, for your mom, for your sister, for whatever you want to do this for. And then you put it here. And all of this was good with my Cricut. And this is a file, by the way. And I will let the link in the description box below to the file. Now the file is from a Russian lady, and so yeah, so she has like a lot of she had it in PDF, and she had it on SVG and all that stuff. So yeah, so here again, it's so cute, right? I just love it, love it, love it. And I will let a little short video that I made, like fast forward with everything, with the background and everything, so you can see every single detail. And so yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project. I really had a lot of fun making this. I just love how it came out. I love working with the dolls. And thank you, Michelle and Robin, for inviting me to this hub. Again, ladies, all the information about the lineup will be in the description box below. And for the giveaway, I'm going to do a presential gift. So what I mean is not presential, is a gift. So it's not going to be monetary, so it's going to be only US, because you know shipping is killing. So yeah, so it's going to be just US only. And so yeah, so thank you so much. Please be a subscriber and leave a comment and all of that, all, you know, the usual rules that we always get, and so all that stuff and all of that. So yeah, so here is the little video that I did for you, and I hope you like it. I have my husband holding my camera so I could show you better from afar, so you can see very well the detail of it. I just love it. Again, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will let again all the information of the giveaway and the lineup in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support and for always stopping by and say hi. Take care, everyone. Bye.